If you need hand car wash service in Perth, then do contact us on 0893451598. Let me tell you more about our business. Prime Shine, the best hand car wash Perth, a highly trusted car wash point in Perth, Washington, where your car gets a new look with a professional washing process along with best car wash services in Perth. We are established since last few years and have expanded our car washing services in Perth. Here, your car is washed with an ultra-modern washing system in which we run your car through various washing processes. To make it spotless and clean, we use biodegradable products which are mostly eco-friendly and hygienic. And to remove dirt and garbage from the car, we use professional vacuum cleaners which escape each dust particle from the car without damaging seats and other fabrics of your vehicle. We also offer the best car wash Perth, as we satisfy our customers with our best car cleaning in Perth. People trust us and always recommend us. Type here. Prime Shine provides you facility of lightning fast Wi-Fi during your vehicle appointment with us. You can enjoy unlimited free Wi-Fi. We care about our customer very much and we understand the basic needs of tea and coffee in a day during your car wash service with us. We are centrally located in Perth and easily reachable. You can find us easily on Google Maps to serve you better for car wash services. Payments at Prime Shine is really easy and reasonable for our every quality service. You can pay us using all the cards,